Dear students, today in this class we shall discuss about our Karnataka. In this section, let us see Karnataka is state administrative divisions. Administrative divisions. Before going to start our topic, now let us see where is our India is located in world map. Where is our India is located in world map? In this area, our India is located in southern part of Asia continent. Now let us move one in this map. We can clearly see the area of our India. Our Karnataka is located in this place in southern part of India Peninsula, Asia. Here we can clearly see the area of our Karnataka. The name Karnataka has been used from the ancient time. This land used to be called as a Karunadu. Karunadu means black soil. Now let us move one division of Karnataka for administrative purpose. Divisions of Karnataka for administrative purpose. First one is, see students, very important. Karnataka is divided into 4 revenue divisions. First one is Bengaluru divisions. Second one is Mysuru division. Third one is Belagaum division. Fourth one is Gulbarga division. Okay, listen students, very important. 4 revenue divisions. Bengaluru divisions, Mysuru division, Belagaum division, Gulbarga division. Those divisions are observed in this map. Students, see, the red color shows the area of Bengaluru division. Red color show the area of Bengaluru division. Second division, light green color show the area of Mysuru division. Light green color indicates the area of Mysuru division. And third one, pink color shows the area of Belagavi division. Pink color indicates Belagavi divisions. And fourth one, bright green color shows the area of Kalburgi or Gulbarga divisions. 4 revenue divisions. Bengaluru division. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It is one of the administrative divisions of Karnataka. There are 9 districts in Bengaluru division. First one is Bengaluru urban, second one is Bengaluru rural, third one is Kolara, fourth one is Chikkaballapura, fifth one is Davanagere, sixth one Ramanagaram, seventh one Tumakuru, eighth one Chitradurga, and last one Shivamogga. There are 9 districts in Bengaluru division. First one Shivamogga, Davangere, Chitradurga, Tumkuru, Chikkaballapura, Kolara, Bengaluru rural, Bengaluru urban, Ramanagara. This division is in the southern part of Karnataka. Okay students, next history of Bengaluru divisions. Bengaluru as a history as rich as Karnataka. The earliest rulers were from the Ganga dynasty. After the decline of the Gangas, the area came under the rule of Cholas, Vaisalas, Vijayanagara kings, Marathas, Mysuru kings and Bijapura's Adil Shahis. Very important dynasties. During the rule of Vijayanagara Empire, Palegar chieftains were appointed to administer different regions. These regions were called Palepattu. Palegars were the leaders or Nayakas and reported to the Vijayanagara kings. They had to submit tax and gifts to the king. Some of the important Palepattus, very important, dear students, listen carefully. Very important Palepattus were Keladi, Chitradurga, Yelahanka and Chikkaballapura. Keladi, Chitradurga, Yelahanka and Chikkaballapura. Very important Palepattus. Okay, next one topic, natural resources. What are natural resources? Resources obtained from nature are called as natural resources. Resources obtained from nature are called as natural resources. For example, rivers, forest, waterfalls, animals, soils, minerals. Example, rivers, forest, waterfalls, animals, soils and minerals. Now let's see one by one pictures. First one is river, forest, waterfalls, students, animals, soil, minerals are the resources provided to us by nature. Next, Shivamogga map. Shivamogga district, Shivamogga regions gets the highest rainfall, but Chitradurga receives the lowest rainfall. Shivamogga highest rainfall, Chitradurga receives the lowest rainfall. Next one, the remaining districts, Tumkur, Davangere, Ramanagara and Chikkaballapura receives moderate rainfall. Many of the rivers in this division originate in these western Ghats. Some of the important rivers are, first one is Uttara Pinakini, second one is Dakshina Pinakini. Third one, Vedavati. Fourth one, Shimsha. Fifth one, Tungabhadra. Sixth one, Sharavati. And last one is Varada. Sir, very important rivers. River Sharavati flows in the western directions. See students, you know, world famous Jog Falls is in Shimoga district. Very beautiful. Another one, a dam named Mutyalamadu is in Bengaluru district. Gajanuru and Tunga dams are in Shimoga. This division has numerous tanks. Mysuru kings have constructed many dams. Vanivilasa Dam is one such irrigation projects. This is in Hiriyuru Taluk of Chitradurga. Vanivilasa Dam is one such irrigation project. This is in Hiriyuru Taluk of Chitradurga. Bengaluru division has many minerals deposits. The most productive gold mines of the country are in Karnataka, and Kolara gold mines is famous among all. But the gold deposits of this mine is existed. Iron ore deposits are found in Chitradurga and Tumkuru district. Next one topic, forest, wild animals and national parks. First, we shall discuss about forest. Shimoga has the dense forest cover in Bengaluru division. The forest cover of Bengaluru urban district is the least. These forests have bamboo, tamarind, sandalwood, teak, jali, mango, neem tree. Very important trees. These forests have very important trees. First one is banyan tree, second one is tamarind tree, third one sandalwood, fourth one is teak, fifth one jali, sixth one mango, seventh one neem. These are the very important trees. You see students, first one banyan tree, second one tamarind, fourth one sandalwood, and next one teak, next one jolly, next one mango, and next one neem tree. These are very important trees. Next, wild animals. Neem tree, mango, jolly, teak tree, sandalwood, tamarind, banyan tree. These are the very important trees. Okay students, next wild animals. animals. Wildcat, tiger, leopard, bison, wild pig, deer, bear, wolf are some of the important wild animals. Wildcat, tiger, leopard, bison, wild pig, deer, bear and wolf are some of the important wild animals. Bison, deer, next one, national parks. National parks. The protection of the forest and animals, many forest reserves. The protection of the forests and animals, many forest reserves. First one is Jogimatti Forest Reserves in Chitradurga. Bannerghatta National Park in Bengaluru. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary. Shetty Alli Wildlife Sanctuary. Gudavi Bird Sanctuary. The protection of the forest. The protection of the forest and animals. Many forest reserves. First one is Jogimatti Forest Reserves. Second one is Bannerghatta National Parks, Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary, Shetty Alli Wildlife Sanctuary. Next last one is Gudavi Bird Sanctuary. Dear students, once again repeat. Four revenue divisions. First one is Bengaluru division, second one is Mysuru division, third one is Belgaum division and fourth one is Gulbarga or Kalburgi division. There are 9 districts. First one Bengaluru urban, second one Bengaluru rural, third one Kolara, Chikkaballapura, Davanagere, Ramanagara, Tumukuru, Chitradurga and last one is Shumagga. Last one is Shumagga. Dear students, very important. The important Pale Pattus were Keladi, Chitradurga, Yelahanka and Chikkaballapura. Very important, dear students, carefully. Next, what are natural resources? Resources obtained from nature are called as natural resources. For example, rivers, forest, waterfalls, animals, soil and minerals. Very important rivers: Uttara Pinakini, Dakshina Pinakini, Vedavati, Shimsha, Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada. Very important rivers. Important trees: banyan tree, tamarind, sandalwood, teak, jali, mango, neem tree. Very important trees. Wild animals: wild cat, tiger, leopard, bison, wild pig, deer, bear, wolf. Wild animals. National parks: the protection of the forest and animals, many forest reserves. First one is Jogimatti Forest reserves in Chitradurga. Second one is Bannerghatta National Park in Bengaluru. Third one, Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. Fourth one, Sharavati Wildlife Sanctuary. Students, carefully, Shettihalli Wildlife Sanctuary. And last one is Gudavi Bird Sanctuary. Okay, dear students, understand this class. If any doubt, ask me the question in WhatsApp and online. Okay, dear students, now take the homework. First one is, name any 3 kingdoms of ancient Karnataka or dynasty of ancient Karnataka. Second one, what are natural resources? What are natural resources? Give example. Okay, thank you.